You do not need to waste too much money to look younger anymore. We definitely do not recommend plastic surgery. But the following mixture of natural ingredients will help you achieve the fountain of youth. You will look much younger than you ever imagined. This natural face mask contains only 3 ingredients. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 egg white, half teaspoon lemon juice. Instructions: break the egg in a bowl, separate the egg white from the yolk and whisk it with a fork until it foams. Then add the lemon juice and coconut oil and mix well. This is all. Then wash the face well with lukewarm water and soap. Pat it dry with a towel and apply the mask. Use your fingers and gently massage the face in circular motion. Leave it to act for 15 minutes and then rinse with water or chamomile tea. The effects are noticeable right away, as the mask will make blemishes, pimples, and wrinkles fade away. For best result, repeat this procedure often and enjoy your smooth and youthful skin. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.